Hi, this is Tech with Costa, and I'm sharing my engineering journey. So in previous videos, when we were experimenting with Git and different branches, the only way to see in which branch we were working at would be by running git branch or git status. For example, if we go into the original repository, we could type git status, and we are on branch main or git branch to see that main was the activated branch. This is kind of annoying, so let's customize bash to always show the current branch on the prompt. To do that, let's go into the home folder. Now let's create a backup of the .bash rc file containing the configurations for bash. Copy .bash rc space .bash rc .back. And here we are basically copying the original file into a new file with the extension .back for backup. Now we see both files. This one is just to have a backup in case we mess things up. In the end of the video, if everything went well, you can delete this one. Then let's nano.bash rc. Let's go a bit down until we find this block of code. Let's put the cursor here and hit Ctrl K to delete these rows. 2, 3, 4, 5. These rows are responsible for configuring the colors and what is appearing in the prompt on bash. Now I want to replace those rows with this code, which I will link in the description. Basically here we are configuring what we want to appear in the prompt, and we are using a function to get the current branch that is activated whenever we are inside a Git repository, and then we are concatenating the result of that function into the prompt, and we are also using these strings to change the color of that result. And if you search online, these weird combinations of characters are actually called ANSI escape sequences or codes, and they are used to customize the terminal. As an example, if we use this combination of characters, 31M, it will basically change the following text to red. And we are using this in the .bash rc file for the branch name. Of course, you can use another color. For example, 31M is for red, 32 for green, 34 for blue, and so on. And you can find these codes here. So 34M, 31M, and the 00M is used to reset the color. So to make it white again in our case. Let's try this. So here we are using 31M to make it red, and then 0M to reset it. So this will be, this text is red. But then after this, we can write, for example, hello world in white, and it's white again, right? If we use, for example, 34, this is, I think, blue. That's right. Okay, before saving the file, let's identify this with a comment, add git branch to prompt. Now let's save the file. Now let's cd into git, cd into the data engineering zoom camp. And the git branch is not appearing yet because we need to refresh the terminal by opening one. Let's go again into git, data engineering zoom camp, and now we have the activated branch here.